This is my agentic Discord bot that I made in a previous video, but it's not really that impressive. So in today's video, I'm going to add some new agentic capabilities to this bot and also show you how you can make your own AI agent. Firstly, we need to decide on some features we should give the bot. After sitting in an empty confinement room for a few hours, I finally got some ideas. I thought that the bot should get some context as to when the user asked the question, so I decided to build a tool to get the current time. Next, the bot should also have some awareness to outdoor conditions, aka the weather. I probably won't be using this tool much, as who even has the time to go outdoors and touch some grass in the first place? Lastly, what if the bot could fetch the latest information on a certain topic? Thus, I decided to build a tool to fetch relevant results from the greatest search engine of all time, Winter. Now that we have the three features, let's start building. Let's start with what should be the easiest, the time tool. I spent about an hour reading the docs and I still had no idea why my tool calling didn't work. Then I realized I was importing the old deprecated SDK, which does not support tool calling. So I guess that's 3 hours of my life I'll never get back. After removing the old SDK and installing a new one, things went much smoother from then on. I managed to get the time tool to work, and now I can ask AI what I should be doing right now given the time. Next, I built the weather tool. For this tool, I have two choices. Number one, manually collect weather data from almost every location myself, or number two, cheat and use Open Weather Map API to get location data. Of course, with me being so lazy, I chose the latter. I started reading through the documentation and thank goodness it was actually readable this time and managed to implement a function to fetch weather data from almost any location. Sure enough, it works, and now the agent has the ability to determine whether I can laze at home all day or actually touch grass outside. Guys, this is just a joke, okay? Lastly, and most importantly, we needed a way for the model to get the latest up-to-date information. At first, I wanted to use the Brave Search API as it was genuinely a good search engine and it was also free. But then I quickly realized you needed to give your credit card information to even start using the API, which is just ridiculous. Thus, I decided to do the next best thing and use the Winter Search API. Look, I know that this isn't the best search engine out there, but hey, it works. So with that in place, our AI agent is pretty much complete. On a side note, if you do want to build an agentic bot yourself, it's not 2022 where you have to build one from scratch. All you have to do is to have any one of these languages listed on your local machine and then install the Google Gen AI SDK for the respective language and start building. My recommendation for beginners is to either start with JavaScript or Python as they are the most straightforward to use, and you can start building one instantly even on your phone. Now let's see how our agent performs. Okay, so now we are in my server. The Cord for an AI channel, link is down in the description below if you do want to join the Discord. So first, let's start with our first prompt to test the weather and the time. So there you go, it'll check whether it's a good time for a jog, and as you can see, I've been asking some other results over here. So yeah, so it's 57, yes, 8:57, maybe it's a bit outdated, but whatever. On January 23rd, okay, broken clouds, that's good. So yeah, it's personal preference. All right, so it looks all good. Next, you want to test the search capability, so search for America on the web, specifically Winter, because it's using the Winter Search API. So this is a cool typing indicator that I added, and there you go, you have the results. And lastly, I also want to show you one last feature I added that was not included in the video, which is to fetch a Nico. It's probably pretty self-explanatory, so I won't elaborate further, but I'll just give you a quick demo using the Nico. So it sends the command, and then it uses the Nicos.best API to fetch the script Nico data. And there you go, that's it. And if this is your kind of thing, feel free to join the server. That's about it. And if you want to try out the bot for yourself, scan the QR code right here or click the link down in the description below. If you want to support this project, please leave a star on our GitHub repository or forget to contribute to this amazing bot. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!